Hi guys, I am Parvinder Randhawa from IBSL India. So in this I am going to make a video of blanks, fill in the blanks, and I have selected the question number 6 to 13. This is the part 2 of one passage, right? In this I have completed one passage. So and 1 to 5 I did in my part 1 video. So here I have selected, just like I told you, question number 6 to 13. So the thing is that here first of all the thing, complete the notes below. Then they have written choose one word only, so we have to work on this one. And then they have written here comparison of, right, aluminium screw caps and cork bottle stoppers. So we have to compare, means according to this we have to work. And the questions are related to, I told you one thing only, they have written clearly, just you have to write answer in one word. So please always try to read the notes also. Sometimes in the notes hints are given from where we have to track answer and how to track, because they have clearly written here what according to them what they have compared, right? So that's why they have written the word here comparison. So advantages of aluminium screw caps, what they have written, do not affect, so I'm going to underline the word affect. Second, I have underlined bottle contents. But what are the bottle contents? The material in the bottle. R dash to produce. Produce I have underlined. R dash to use I have underlined use. As then they have written about the benefits of Coke bottle stoppers suit the dash of quality products and made from a dash material easily. Coke forests aid. What they aid? Stop dash happening, so I have underlined here stop. So these words I have underlined. Now these means, just as in the part 1 video I did my true false and not given, and that I did from the part 1 of the passage. Now I am going to take the part 2, because the answers are, as you know about the technique of IELTS, so answers are based on the part 2 only. So you can check the part 2 and we will try to search the answers, because whatever they have underlined, right, just like they have underlined the aluminium screw caps. So first of all we find the aluminium screw caps, then we try to find the cork bottle stoppers, and we'll search the answers. What a great matching! Just the in this the matching we will try to find on the word base of the matching words only. So you can check please properly that how it works, how we can try to solve our answers in a great manner. So up to here I did in my part 1. So I am just like I have started my scanning policy, right, so that I can get the skim of the passage, because now what I have to find, what is my key word here, that is aluminium, right? And in this you can check this one, I haven't got any aluminium word here, so just go through it. Then there is about the years, they have written monopoly of Coke as the material, bottle stoppers, concerns from the contents of the bottle. But I have got the contents of the bottle, right, that I have already underlined the bottle contents. This is caused by chemical compound. They have written here some kind of language of science, right? Then they have written here, but the main thing is that on which my topic is based, that is based on the screw caps. The result has been a gradual yet steady move, first towards plastic stoppers and more recently to aluminium screw caps. So from here I got this one, right? So the thing is that the result, so what kind of result I have got here, fine, they told that means they got this thing, because according to them if I go to the back then it will take my time. So I am not there to understand the things, I am there to find my answers. And the technique is only of word matching technique. That's a great technique, really. Fine. So what I have to find, do not affect the dash of the bottle contents. Fine. So you can check here. So what is content of the bottle? The result is that, let's go to the the tiniest concentrations as little 3 or 4 parts to a trillion can spoil the taste. He said do not affect taste of the product contained. So he has written here product contained in the bottle. He has written bottle, so the bottle is matched with bottle, contents are matched with the product contained. So what can it can spoil? It can spoil the taste. So that is the thing. Now the result has been gradually yet steady move first towards plastic stoppers and more recently to aluminum screw caps. It means the results we got, these results we have got. What kind of result? The taste of the product contained, right? So it means who has given this result? This has been given by the aluminum screw caps. So there here the thing is that the taste results have given, so it do not affect the taste. Second thing, you can check here, very nice thing here, right? So here the is before the taste and here also the is before, right? I also check when giving the answers also, right? I also check this thing so that there should be no misconception regarding the answer, or the answer should not be wrong. Are dash to produce. So here these substitutes are cheaper to manufacture. So this is the matching word of produce or synonym of produce. So what is there? Are cheaper to produce. So this is my second answer. Seventh one, then he said that are dash to use. You can check here, use, it is in tone with the user, so they are more convenient to use. So you can check here, this is my answer. So it's easy. Means the main thing is that first try to find that what I have to search. So I have to search on the aluminum screw caps. So I search it, then I try to find my answer. Naturally I am getting it in a nice way, right? So this way I am going. Now next let's go to this one. I have to talk about the Coke bottle stoppers here. So let's go to this one. So you can check here line, the classic Coke stopper does have several advantages. However, firstly, so I got my one line here, this and this, use this, right? So it means my answer may be here. Firstly, its traditional image is more in keeping with that of type of high quality goods. So here you can check, we have already underlined the quality products, right? They have already written a connector here or linker here, that is firstly. So they have written here image, and they have written here suit, they have written here keeping with. So I think I can match it, keeping with suit, and they have written here image, suit the image, right? Fine. So of quality products made from a dash material. So I have to again search here secondly. I got the secondly here, again tip, right? Very importantly, Coke is a sustainable product. It means it is, now product is here a part of material, so it is a sustainable. So we can say here sustainable, right? This is the answer of this one. Then he said easily dash, you can check what that can be recycled without difficulty. So I got without difficulty, which is equals to easily, right? So what is I can get easily recycled, fine. Then he said moreover, it means up to here secondly, this is my thirdly. So Coke forest aid, they said that Coke forest are a resource which sport means aid equals to this one, what it supports local biodiversity. Now I told you one thing, we have to give one word answer only. So what sport with aid, local, delete it and go with the biodiversity, right? Then they said Coke forest stop, right? So let's go to the next one. So and yes, and is there, addition is there, linker we can say, and before and comma is there, prevent means stop. So they stop desertification. So they stop desertification in the regions where they are planted happening. So these are the answers of this one, and this is also a technique. Let me open the page, just go with it. You in the meantime you can check the please passage how we searched in it, right? So let me open the page. So this is the page here, and the answers I am writing again. For 6th I have given taste, and 7th is cheaper, then is convenient, right? Then is 9th is image, then it's the sustainable, recycled. 11th, 12th is biodiversity, fine, and last one that is desertification, 13. So this I have written. So do one thing please, these are the answers, and again you can check the passage properly. This is taken from this passage, just check it properly. And in this the thing is only of a great matching of synonyms or same words, and this is a part 2, means in this I try to complete one passage, right? You can check this one, part 2. This is a passage, and above all, thanks for watching this video, right? Please subscribe, like and comment on the videos, and do one thing also please, if you have any doubt just send me the comment. I try to give the answer, and you can check this page. This is the from Jesus one. We choose one word only, they have written it clearly. We did questions number 6 to 13. So this is the thing. That's all for the today, right?